So guys, MCT oil is a supplement. So basically it is a oil extracted from coconut oil. It's called MCT because the full form of this is medium chained triglycerides. It has many benefits. Now we have the basic knowledge of what is MCT oil, that it is derived from coconut oil. So now we'll talk about what are the benefits of MCT oil. So the first benefit of MCT oil is weight loss. Many people use this because they want to lose weight. They follow a low carb diet and use MCT oil because it switches our fuel of the body to fat burning. So it is very easy to lose weight if we use this supplement and also follow a low carb diet. You can search more about this on the internet for more knowledge. Let's talk about the second point now. The second point is instant energy. MCT oil is readily digested in your body very fast, almost instantly. The moment you take it, it gets converted into energy and you can feel the energy. So yeah, it's a very good source of energy. Oh yeah, let's talk about the third point now. Third benefit is that your brain loves MCT oil because it loves ketones, and ketones is a fuel that is very stable to our body, to our brain, and our brain prefers ketones over glucose. Just to be clear, there are two fuels for our body: ketones, which is derived from fats, and glucose, which comes from carbs. So our brain functions much better on ketones rather than glucose. So yeah, that's why your brain loves this. And it also protects us from brain diseases like Alzheimer's, etc. So yeah, let's talk about the fourth point now. It can help stop the overgrowth of bad bacteria and fungus and viruses in your body, because all these bad things feed on glucose and sugars. So if you switch to ketones by using MCT oil, the growth of these bacteria, fungus and viruses will be hindered and you can easily control and kill them. So yeah, it is very effective to kill off the bad bacteria in your body. So now let's jump to the fifth benefit. That is very important for the people following keto diet and low carb diet, that you can easily switch the fuel in your body if you eat some carbs or something. So early morning you just make a bulletproof coffee or anything and put MCT oil in it, 1 or 2 tablespoons, and instantly, almost like in 15 minutes, the fuel of your body will be switched from glucose to ketones. And this is a very good thing because the people following a ketogenic diet want to run their body on ketones. So yeah guys, this is what MCT oil is and what it does. Tell me, do you like the video or not? And personally, I think the best MCT oil in the world is brain octane oil, which I personally use. This is the best MCT oil, guys. This is my personal recommendation. You should buy it. And tell me in the comments what you think about MCT oil, which one do you use, and if you have a recommendation. Also guys, like the video, share the video to the people who need to know about MCT oil and which to buy and what are the benefits, and subscribe to the channel because I'll be uploading many cool videos about science and health and more cool stuff. So yeah, it'll be very interesting. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification thing, and yeah, thanks.